Hi guys, I'm Dr. Nandabalaji. Today we are discuss about the lasers of different types of lasers. We know that the different types of lasers. Today we discuss about the solid state lasers like as Nd-YAG laser. First of all, we are know the outcomes of this laser, understand the types of lasers and its examples, and identified the Nd-YAG laser and working function and its applications. First of all, we know the different types of lasers. First, solid state laser, gas laser, liquid lasers, semiconductor lasers. In both the lasers have a different types of applications and different types of advantages. And we know the examples of different types of lasers. We know that the gas lasers have included the helium neon laser, carbon dioxide laser, argon lasers, and solid state lasers such as ruby lasers, neodymium Nd:YAG lasers, neodymium glass lasers, semiconductor lasers. And molecular lasers have a different types of lasers like as excimer lasers, dye lasers, and free electron lasers. These are the different examples of different types of lasers. And we discuss about the solid state lasers of Nd-YAG laser. In the principles of Nd-YAG lasers, the active medium is Nd-YAG rod. In this diagram shows the Nd-YAG rod is the main material. It is optically pumped by krypton flash tube. So in this figure shows the flash tube. In this flash tubes are covered with a fully reflected mirror and partially reflected mirror. During the transition from metastable to ground state, it's the state level. Metastable to ground state, the laser beam of wavelength 1.064 micrometer is emitted. And constructions of this Nd-YAG lasers, it's a four-level solid state and doped and insulator laser. And Nd stands for neodymium and YAG stands for yttrium aluminum garnet, in which of Y3 plus are replaced doped by N3 plus ions. The neodymium ions act as active center. The pumping method is optical pumping using krypton flash lamp. In elliptical cavity, it consists of Nd-YAG rod and krypton flash lamp. There are two mirrors at each end of Nd-YAG rod. One is partially reflected and another one is fully reflected mirror. It acts as optical resonator. And the working of Nd-YAG lasers when the power is given to flash tube. The Nd3 plus atoms are pumped by a krypton flash lamp from the ground state to higher energy state, E1 to E2. But the higher energy states are unstable, therefore the atoms are transferred to metastables of E4 state by non-radiative transitions. The transition E4 to E1, the laser output 1.069 micrometer is emitted. The energy states is given to the diagram. The ground state to upper absorption level, the atoms will be carried. And non-radiative decays of upper laser level is stable in the one position. And transport to E1 state, the transmissions is 1.064 micrometer wavelength. And the assessments of Nd-YAG lasers is called different types of phases. It gives an enormous level of application oriented like as medical and another kind of material. Applications of Nd-YAG laser. It's used in transmitting signals to a longer distance, like as optical fiber light source cable transportations. It's used in long haul communication system like as transportations of voice detective materials. It's also used in endoscopic applications of medical applications. In this method we have taken different types of methodologies, applications and advantages. Thank you guys. Thank you.